Start doing math every day, and the first thing that you're gonna do is your dominoes. Okay, so with our dominoes we are gonna find the pair. For example, if my number is 4, I want to find other dominoes that have 4 dots different ways. Do you see how every domino is different, but they all have 4? Yeah. So what you're doing is pairing your dominoes to your number. You see this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're pairing your number and your dominoes. And I want you to say your number out loud in English. Okay? While you're pairing, and I want you to count in English.
You want to try?
Yeah. All right, let's try.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And you're gonna do this until you've done all your dominoes, okay? Yeah. All right.
Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. And then your parents, after you do that, your parents are gonna sign, okay? And it's labeled. So all they have to do is sign where it says firma and make sure they write the date, okay? Now you're gonna practice your numbers, and we're gonna look at our 120 chart. You're gonna say your numbers in English from 1 to 100. Let's practice, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So after you say your numbers, all your numbers in English, I want you to go to the back. And now it's going to be your turn to write the numbers. In your bag, you each have a marker, okay? Cada quien tiene un marcador, so you can all do this. All right, so let's start. And while you're writing your numbers, I want you to say them out loud in English, okay? Let's practice.
1, 2,
Hold on.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And you're going to do that till you get to 120.
Muy bien. Y aquí yo voy a interrumpir. Es arriba del plástico. Para eso tienen el marcador especial. No pierdan ese marcador, porque no vamos a cambiar la hoja. Esto se borra fácilmente todos los días para que lo puedan repetir y practicar todos los días. ¿Vas a sacar la hoja de papel de ahí?
No.
¿Puedes escribir arriba del plástico? Sí. ¿Puedes escribir arriba del plástico?
Sí.
¿Con cuál marcador? Enséñenme la bolsa. ¿Dónde está el marcador? ¿De quién es ese marcador? De Miss Radcliffe. ¿De quién es? ¿Es para que se te pierda? No. ¿Puedes escribir arriba del plástico?
Sí.
¿Nada más vas a escribir?
No.
Tienes que escribir y decir los números. ¿En qué idioma? En inglés. ¿En qué idioma?
Inglés.
Muy bien. La que sigue.
Okay.
Bájelo, bájelo.
And now you're going to work on, do you see this page that has fact families?
Yes.
Oh, that's blurry. And then you see another page that says more and less.
Yes.
Do you see where the sticker is?
Yes.
Okay, that means that you have to do this page, both front and back, okay? And then you have a blue page that says number fun, and you're gonna see a sticker right on top. You're gonna do that page front and back. Now we're gonna do one together, okay?
Fíjate bien.
Before we start, I do want you to know that I put an example so you don't forget. So, like for example, here's an example that Miss Ratcliffe did. And it's going to be front and back. And there's even little notes for you. Okay? And the same thing over here. We have front and back.
Esa es la hoja del ejemplo, ¿eh?
The page with the sticker is the one that you're going to be doing. La hoja con el sticker es la que tú vas a hacer con el marcador especial. Okay? Okay, now let's do one together so you kind of get an idea of what you're going to be doing. Okay, so let's say my number of the day is the number 24. Okay. Is my number even or odd? Even. Good job. Even. All right. And now I'm going to draw my tally marks. Count with me. 1,
2, 3,
Katy.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
24. Okay, now how many tens do I have?
2,
2. So I'm going to draw 2 sticks. How many ones do I have?
4,
I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. For tens, you're going to draw sticks, and for ones, you're going to draw circles. Okay, and we already did this. There's 2 tens and 4 ones. Have they studied expanded form?
That one is
Expanded
20
form.
plus 4.
Oh, I just didn't know if they.
They can
did it
practice it.
already. Okay. Okay, now let's do.
Which number is greater?
30,
30 is greater. And what symbol do we use? Greater than or less than? That's when we use our alligator over here. Greater than or less than. Mayor que o menor que. 24 is greater than or less than 30. So less than 30 is the L. Show me your less than 30. La L. So you're going to draw your less than.
Less than. Yeah. All right. So today's number is 24. What's 10 less of 24? 10 less. You can look over there if you need.
100 chart. Where's 24? Let's find number 24. Excuse me. Vamos a encontrar el número 24. Oh, sorry. Sorry. 24. What's 10 less? 14. And you put it there.
Write down 14.
Yeah.
What's 10 more?
What's 10 more?
34,
All right.
34. So we write down 34. What's 1 more?
25,
What's 1 less?
23,
Hey,
Guys.
that makes a square. Okay.
So this is what you're going to be doing every day on Number Fun. Now let's look at the next page.
Well, I think tomorrow we can explain the next page.
No, we have-
Oh, no, you're right. Continue.
Okay. So the last one is going to be your fact families, okay? Okay, so let's do. So let's say that my numbers are 9, 1, and 10. Can somebody give me an addition sentence? Ismael. No, it has to be my 3 numbers. Eric, you're really good at this. Can you give me an addition sentence? What is it?
You have to use those numbers. What goes in here? What goes in there? Oops. 9. Yes. No se ve. Deje la bolsa.
10. Good. Now, Daniela's pretty good at this too. Daniela, give me another addition fact.
10.
Addition. We're adding. Eric gave me 9 plus 1 equals 10. What's another one I can do?
1
Mm-hmm.
plus 9
Excellent.
equals 10.
Good job. All right. Now subtraction de Yanira. What can be a subtraction sentence?
10
Minus.
minus 1 equals 9.
Equals 9. All right. Yes.
10 minus 9 equals 1.
Good job. All right. And then another way that, since y'all have been learning with dominoes, one way that we can do it is if we have, for example, so with dominoes, I would have 9 here and 1 here. And from that, I can do the same thing I did here, but I'm using dominoes. Okay, so that's a different way to show my fact families.
Do you understand? When do you have to do this homework? When? When?
Every day.
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 Díganle gracias a Miss Radcliffe. Say happy 100 days of school. Peace.